Come on. Time for this one to get dry. Try the other one. Oh, that one's looking at itself in the mirror.
Yeah, that's what this one
Come
sat
on.
there for like 5 minutes.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta get dry. Come on. Go roast Sissy. You tried.
Oh! Okay. My new blow dryer is not going to have bite marks in it.